Hello, we are back, guys. I'm sorry for that interruption. And finally, our signal is doing okay. Now, let us go back to our charting and our insights. Okay, let's wait for some of our friends to join us as well. Okay, there you have it. So, just for those who are new to our channel, thank you for subscribing. I joined a live stream earlier of one of our friends here in YouTube, and yeah, I was able to gain a lot of friends, and yeah, welcome to our channel. I hope you're also watching, and if this is your first time, I would like to invite you to subscribe to our channel so that you're always updated on the daily videos that we do here. We technically review the stocks that you guys have in the Philippine market. So if you have a request, please feel free to drop a comment so that we can prioritize your request, okay? Now, I would like us first to check out our highly traded stocks. That's where I left off earlier. Definitely BPI will also review that. But for now, let's just check first, okay? So I said earlier, I don't know, I forgot where we stopped. MPI, massive decline. Let's not uh, chase this yet. Although you might feel that the stock price is really at a cheap level right now, but we don't see any signs of possible bounce at the moment. So just hang in there, hold on to your buying power, and let's find a much better stock. Okay. Right now for ICT, ICT has stopped just underneath the MA20 line, and you know when we are moving below the MA20 levels, uh, your MA20 line can act as a resistance. Okay, so just see if most of the action here actually is moving in a sideways direction, but in the past week, past 5 days, we had some breakdown in price, and we actually ended at the lower high right now. So most of the sentiment is at the lower Bollinger Band. So I would have to say there's a big chance that this stock will revisit the support that we have right here, 117.91. So if the market gives you a chance at this level, I would have to say let's observe. Maybe there's a big chance that it'll bounce in this area. Okay, so tomorrow if there is a gap up that will happen here, then we can say we most likely will have a brand new wave. From here, it will go up, retrace a bit to stabilize your support before it goes up further there. Okay, see that? So otherwise, if there's weakness, it will go back to the support. JFC is very good story. I didn't expect that it will bounce this fast. I know that we created a support in this level. I thought it'll just go sideways, but yes, this is a good story for JFC. We're now triggering the upper band, and personally, I am at the 215 level, so this is a 1 peso gain on top of the dividend I got the other day. So good job to JFC. SECB. SECB, this is the support that we have here. Alright, so if you would like to get in, I'd say get in near the support as always. So this might give us a chance at the support area. Okay. And we also see some foreign buying at the moment. So chances are, and your RSI, I mean your MA20 line shows a an upward, it's facing upward. So there's a big chance that it'll continue to move up. Now, what's wrong with the arrow? Anyway, so like that. So it might continue to go up, okay, because this line over here, your MA20 is pointing upwards. And just in case, because you know there are a lot of traders in the Philippine market, they might take some profit, and the market might give us a chance at this area, okay, the support level. BMC is still on a decline, still not a good story while it's still oversold. uh, I know that it can stay there for quite some time. I've seen a lot of stocks showing oversold for months. Okay, so that can happen. Now, what we are waiting here is for a an engulfing, something like this. Okay, this is an example of an engulfing candle. Price previously landed outside of the Bollinger Band, but the next day, oops, the next day you've seen an engulfing candlestick. There you have it. Landed outside, next day bounce, much bigger and higher candlestick than the previous day. That's why you've seen an upward direction. Okay, so that's what we are trying to envision here. Maybe we have a green candlestick and then that's our signal. Okay, BDO. For BDO, this is still the resistance that we are seeing. So if you see some signs of weakness by tomorrow, because I've noticed that each time it lands at the yellow line, there's a rejection. So I don't really recommend to enter at this point. Rather, this area should be a profit-taking area. Okay, as this stock might rest for a while. But overall, if you're an investor, you may invest. Okay, these are just minor dips because you know that you'll be taking profit years and years and years from now. AC, we're triggering the lower band, so I don't recommend yet. We might have some more downward movements for AC. What about Ali? Ali showing some signs of weakness around your MA20 line over here. So again, since we're moving below the MA20 level, your MA20 line will act as your resistance. Notice your last candlestick started at that amount and ended at that amount. So it's really unsure yet whether to go up or reject and then go down. So those are the key areas to watch out for. SM, I feel that this is also going to go down. We'll see which is the next possible support here. Right now, the nearest support is in this line. There you go. So that is the nearest support that we have here. Check out the price movement or price action when it reaches this 1029 and 43 cents. MBT, I think I talked about it. MBT is now resting. You're triggering the lower Bollinger Band. So be extra careful as it might rest. BPI, I like what I'm seeing for BPI. We triggered the MA20 line and ended slightly higher than that. So I'd say tomorrow, if more actions will happen above the MA20 level, then we have a bounce. Okay, so that's the support I'm seeing. This used to be a resistance over here, became a support over here, also had a resistance over there. So, and it broke. So that means you might have something like this. Okay. URC, we're now moving in an upward direction, but again, be extra careful because your MA20 line That's the next possible resistance that we have. So if you have entered right here, you could partially take profit around the 146 area. So that would be a good, how much? Let's say you entered here, partially take profit here, and then the buying power that you have. No, let me rephrase that. Once the price reaches the yellow line and you see signs of weakness, let's say a day ends a red candlestick, that's a sign of weakness. Then that means this stock might continue to go down. Okay, so when that thing happens, take profit. If you want to take profit 100% or you leave some, and then so when the price goes lower than the 147 level, you have a buying power that you can use to lower your cost average, right? So that's what we are seeing. SMPH. SMPH is going to rest. Okay, guys, I'm not going to change my line because it's still, actually, this is the brand new line. There, 39.89. That's the brand new line. That's the support we are seeing. It will potentially rest there, right? Globe. This is a red candlestick. I think would have to say be extra careful as it might rest. Now check out what happens in this area. Okay, that's the first line that we are going to plot and observe. So when it reaches that level, we'll go back to this stock again and review. AEV. Let's use your MA20 line as your support since we're already above that level. So check again. If most of the action happens below the yellow line, then your downtrend is not over. You just had a slight overshoot on the upside. But truth of the matter is we're not done with the downtrend. But if you have most of the action happening above the 51 level, then that's good because you might have a brand new wave. Okay, I think that is it for now. Thank you very much again for taking the time to watch this. If you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. That's your way of helping our channel and inspiring Miss JD to continue this advocacy. In the meantime, good night and good morning. Okay, bye bye for now.